Alright, so I got it open. It has the little Ryobi dust collector. I definitely use that. Get your instructions. Trying to do this with one hand. It's not the business. So here's the pads. Looks like it's 220. Yeah, 220, 120, and 80. Nice. So the good thing about it is it has that 6-foot cord, and it is the 120, the 120 plug. So it'll plug in, and it's pretty lightweight. It's only 3.5 pounds, which to me that's perfect. That way you get better control. Just like the finish sanders, the switch is here on off. You can hold it like this. You have that nice, grip. I don't want to call it checkered because that's like looks almost like a star. So I'll just call it star gripping. And it has it all in the front too. So that way, ergonomic on it is perfect. Both sides. You can hold it here. This guy on. Let's turn it on, see how it sounds. So the application for applying or putting on your orbit sanding discs, it's easy. It has the Velcro on the machine, and then the other part is like the material, and you just put it on, give a little tap, and it's on. Hold on one sec. What the hell is going on with that plug? So it's not too loud. And the vibration is not too bad. Let's go give it a try. little guy works great. Definitely gonna be getting a lot of use out of this one. Man, that 80 grit just chunks away what it needs to. So the cutting board I made. So yeah, it's my little mini review on the Ryobi Orbit 5-inch Orbit Center. Very easy to use. Ergonomically, it's easy to handle. See me handling it one hand. Anybody could use it. So there it is. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, rate, subscribe. Don't forget to pick up a Ryobi. Have a good day. So there you go. Just a little quick video on my 5-inch random orbital center. Again, it comes with the 3 different pads. You seen the video, it wasn't hard to handle. You can maneuver with one hand. That's nice, like stippling all around it for better grip comfort, and something for you to grab onto and be able to control it. That's the dust collection bag here. Usually I take that off and just connect my vacuum hose onto the inlet there, and it works fine. I've had one before. I used this 5 years, 6 years, and just gave it hell, and it's still going today. So I just figured I picked up a new one just to have an extra one in case I need it laying around. Ryobi, they say, is a DIYer type tool, but it keeps up with the best. It's kept up with any of my others, DeWalt, and even Rigid. I definitely recommend this tool if you're gonna get into sanders and get some new sander and don't want to pay the $100+ Go with the Ryobi. I paid $40, probably like $44 with with taxes, but I'm telling you, it's a great buy, great deal. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, and share my video. Help the channel grow. Appreciate it, man. Happy woodwork.